Hello everyone, it is May 10th and right now we're taking a quick look at VeChain. In this video I'm going to talk about why I think VeChain will hit the 38 to 40 cent dollar region. And overall looks like, I've been watching our videos for the past couple of, I would say, weeks. We've been stuck in this sideways, I guess, action where VeChain obviously started really consolidating heavy below the 22 cent, 22.7 cent. Overall, we really pushed heavy all the way up around 200 something percent. Then Bitcoin, we start consolidating for a bit. Then Bitcoin kind of drive the price action down for the whole altcoin market. Obviously, VeChain was included, and now we could see a nice support level where we anticipate those buyers to come in for VeChain. But couple of days ago, we had a breakout above this resistance line we have over here. I think catalyzed a lot of movement upwards. A lot of buyers were anticipating it. But one thing that we should definitely keep in mind is the fact that there is still some sort of a hard level to pass through for VeChain. As soon as we start getting somewhere close to the mid 20 cent region, VeChain will definitely have to prove itself through the price action. But overall, looking at VeChain right now, looks like we are stuck in this symmetrical, I would say, wedge. We know where the support is, we know where the resistance is, and the fact that as soon as we broke above this, so maybe if I switch to the 4-hour chart here, you'll see what I'm talking about. Once we go to the 4-hour here, you'll see how as soon as VeChain actually started to break outside of this triangle we have over here. So this is the top, another reaction over here, and then here as soon as we broke above it, you'll see massive volume. So this is telling us that VeChain is respecting these resistance lines. Buyers are acknowledging them, and a break above any of those lines is really causing a nice uptrend. So now it went up. We see some sort of retrace move, so that's what usually happens as soon as we go, as soon as we have some sort of a triangle or a wedge. As soon as we get to the apex, it gets pretty quiet, and as soon as we break above, if we're uptrending into this triangle, we'll have a expected uptrend out of it when we break out. And if we're coming down into it and start having a horizontal symmetrical wedge, we are expected to downtrend out of it. So right now, the whole market is obviously retracing with Bitcoin doing this also against some sort of a support. We've been retracing for the past 12 hours. On the daily, Bitcoin is trying to find the support at the the daily 50 moving average, which is this little white line here, which is currently situated at the $56,670. So we want to see Bitcoin actually continue to find that support. We're seeing some heavy rejection at the moment, which is rightfully so. It's not bad still. It's a very reactive zone, and we understand that for Bitcoin. But then again, back to VeChain here. If we're looking at the 4-hour again, we acknowledge the fact that these buyers do respect these resistance lines, and we also know that we also respect these following lines as well. So we're trying to get the upper extremities here just to see where that possible reaction should be at. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now in the 4 hours. We still have 36 minutes to go, and soon enough here, guys, we're gonna get to the apex where some sort of explosion is gonna happen in terms of the price action. You can see here we identified another level of resistance above, but as soon as we broke off a minor resistance level, we had that breakout. We saw that the volume actually did shoot up significantly above the average volume. You'll see it here, and now we're waiting for this other line here to be broken above, which, by the looks of it, if you assume actually VeChain still tries to go again to see this, I would say within the next 2 days, VeChain will have a very significant movement, and possibly, so that's the thing. We have a bit of criteria we need to be careful of. We need to make sure that VeChain continuously finds the support somewhere here at the bottom. So we can see here it made a low, a higher low, higher low, again higher low as well here. I don't want to see VeChain break out of this support and continue to downtrend. I want VeChain to continue to hold above at least this previous high, this previous low that we have here at the 20 cent region, basically. So very quiet right now. We anticipate that, hey, look, at the breakout, there's a lot of volume. Then right after that, we anticipated another resistance line that we have over here. And yeah, it gets very, very, very quiet until we reach this apex over here where buyers and sellers have to make a move. And I think, you know, the fact that we're uptrending into this means that we will be uptrending out of it, depending on VeChain not going below this previous low we have over here, which is at the 20 cent region. So I'll just draw this for you to kind of keep it in mind, because we definitely will have some sort of criteria that we definitely need to always fill out here and have proof. You know, you want the market to speak to you first before you actually make a move. And again, guys, we can only forecast what might happen in the market. We can't just fully predict it, but the only thing you can do is be prepared for it, right? And that's what we're doing here. So as soon as we reach the apex, usually for traders specifically, a profit level would be the base of this triangle, something like this, I would say. And you know what, we should just do this. So the base of this triangle, we take it to the expected or presumed breakout point, and then it takes us somewhere close to the 37, somewhere between the 37 and the $40 region. So that's what I think is going to happen with VeChain here. Overall, you can see here how the movement with the Bitcoin is definitely affecting the price action. We were gaining strength a bit. We're supposed to break out. Didn't really happen yet, so it looks like it does need more time. RSI on the 4-hour is losing that strength, but then again, once we reach an apex area, these regions, these indicators start to get a bit of a skewed result, just because it starts to get a bit volatile. Didn't really get there yet, but it gets a bit volatile. But you can get a nice idea of where what's expected to happen at that breakout, somewhere close to the like 2/3 of the price action here. And you'll also start seeing that the volume has been really picking up at certain points, somewhere close to here. That definitely tells you a bit of an idea of what the buyers are actually looking at here. And VeChain has been really a slow mover for the longest time, and we understand that. And recently here, the past month, started gaining that interest that everyone's been looking for. So right now, this is what I think is going to happen for VeChain. I think these are the levels we should be looking at, we should be targeting. And then again, we need to make sure that it doesn't really break below this. And if Bitcoin actually holds this line, holds the 50 daily moving average, then I think it's going to be a really good month or a week for VeChain. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to really prolong this much longer. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analysis. And yeah, if you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you'd like to also support us on Patreon, definitely do so. That will also give you access to our VIP Discord, which we always interact first in the morning and give all the market updates. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you stay tuned to the other videos we're going to put out today. Thank you for watching.